Hello and welcome to today's episode of A Day in My Life. I wake up early in the morning at 6 a.m. I stretch my arms and yawn. Yawn, do you know what it means? It means opening your mouth wide when you are sleepy. Then, I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth. For breakfast, I usually eat bread and eggs. Here's a new word, scramble. I like to eat scrambled eggs. That means eggs that are mixed and cooked in a pan. I sit at my desk and start my work, but before that, I make a to-do list. While working, I sometimes feel sleepy, so I drink a cup of coffee. After work, I go for a walk. Walking is good for health. I see trees, birds, and sometimes I hear children laughing and playing. At night, I like to relax by reading a book. Before sleeping, I drink a glass of warm milk. It helps me sleep better. That was my day. Now let's review the words from today. Yawn, scramble, to-do list. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some new English words. If you liked this episode, don't forget to listen again and practice speaking. See you next time. Okay, bye-bye.